difference between Onye Uwa and Chi? Chi is your familiar spirit, a high-rank spirit or guardian spirit, while Onye Uwa is your former existence. It is you that has returned to the earth. Souls reincarnate when we die. When the body gets weak, or it's torn by accident or other mishap, it dies and the soul returns back to its realm of origin. When the soul returns back to its realm of origin, and it is granted permission to return back to this earth upon universe spirit's permit, the soul puts on a new body. Now let me ask, that old body of yours that was buried, is that what you call your Chi? The answer is no. Now let me explain Chi better. Chi is an external spirit that was designed by the universal energies to guide you while you journey on earth and make sure you fulfill your destiny. Why do we need a Chi? We cannot manifest anything here on earth except with the support of a 4D being. I mean, a 4-dimensional being. Now let me look for a way to explain this for an easy understanding. Let's assume you as a human, you are in a squared room. You as a 3D being cannot see all 4 sides of that square room at the same time. You can only see the 3 sides of the room at a time. So whatever that is happening in the remaining side of the room, you can't see it and you won't know what is happening there. But your Chi, a 4-dimensional being, can see the 4 sides of the room at the same time. Your Chi is your higher self, the spirit guide assigned to you in order to help you navigate the turbulence of the physical world. As a human, you cannot remember your pre-life actions. Your Chi holds that record and can help you continue on your path smoothly. So you need to align with your Chi by physical ritual or offering to your Chi. Now, offering to your Chi is a sign language that will signal him or her to lead the way and guide you as it should be. Now, in conclusion, your Chi is what you need to align with and feed. A 4D being, not some helpless Onye Uwa. I believe I'm now able to correct the misconception between Chi and Onye Uwa. Chi is your guardian angel, a guardian spirit or your personal God. While Onye Uwa is the same you that has returned back to earth in another body. When you return back, you still have the same way of thinking. Everything about you will be the same. The only difference is that you will remember your past life. And the entity that holds that memory of that your past life is your Chi. That is why it is here to guide you throughout your mission here on earth. So stop calling Chi your Onye Uwa. Maka ndị Igbo tụrụ inu wee sị, mmadụ abụrụ Chi. Our ancestors gave that name for a reason. I think I will stop here. I still remain the digital priest Akaju. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe.